Meaning of IOW.
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 IOW. IOW stands for, in other words. This acronym is commonly used in written and spoken communication to introduce a restatement or clarification of something that has just been said. For example, if someone says, "I really enjoy reading mystery novels," someone else might respond by saying, "IOW, you prefer fiction over nonfiction." This use of IOW signals to the listener that the speaker is about to rephrase or summarize what was just said. Overall, IOW is a useful shorthand for indicating when a rephrasing or clarification of a statement is coming in conversation or writing.